Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. So this praise bass line I'm about to teach you might be new to you. So it is high time you take your praise play to the next level. All I want you to do is just for you to watch the video to the end, learn them very well, then you can start to apply them out there, okay? And also when you learn and master this praise bass line, you can apply it on praise, just like slow praise or maybe any type of praise. You just need to understand the progression. So that is why I recommend you to learn this lesson very well. So I've been doing this WhatsApp live lesson every Monday, okay? If you're interested, in the comment section below you see the group there, just click on the link and join, okay? And I also do private class lessons, which you all know. Click on the link, it's in the comment section below to take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So I'll be using a Ghanaian song, but do not worry, just focus on the progression. So I'll first play the progression so that you can understand that if from 1 going to 2, this is what you can play. You just need to learn it, then you can start to apply it on your own simple praise, okay? So now let's first look at the progression of the praise song. Very simple. Okay, so now let me break down the bass line for you that you can apply to the progression, okay? One, 5, 5, 1. Very simple. Then to the 6, 7, taken to the 1, 6, 1 to the 7, then 1. Okay, so this is the easy part, but remember, taking to the end of the video, I'll be grooving more on the progression, okay? So I just want you to understand it very well. 6, 1, 7, 5, 1. You understand, okay? You understand? Mumra, 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 mumra. So you're climbing from the 2, 3, 4. So if you come across any song that you be going 2, 3, 4, octave 3, then 4, you can apply this bass line. So your octave 2, octave 3, 3, 3, then your 4, 4, 4. So you need to learn your root and octave very well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will start from the 6, 6, 6. Then you come back to the 2 again because the song progression was going to the 2, then to the 5, 2, 2, then 5, 5 to 5, 1, 1. You see this bass line? You can apply it throughout. You understand? But you want to like play your praise a little bit gentle. You understand? Okay, so let me play it for you to hear. So you see that when I was playing, there was like a little bit empty space. 6, 7, 1. So mumra on the 6, there was a little bit space that I didn't play any bass line. So you see, there was a free gap for me which I can apply pass note taking me to the 6 groove. You understand? So now let me give you a pass note you can apply that will take you to that 6. It is very nice. That is 2, 3, 5, then 6, 6. You can also do to the 2. Just understand the pattern. Going to the 6, you play 2, 3, 5, 6, 6. To the 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 2. So if you have any song that will be going from the 1 to the 2, which you will play, so you can do it this way. 1, you understand? Okay, just understand it. Last one. Again. You understand? So once you have mastered it, let me take you to the next one. So when you have learned and mastered the first one, then you can join this to it, and there you go. You understand? So I am applying some few passing notes from the 6 to the 7, especially on the 7. I did a passing note descend to the 7, then to the 7, 1 2 1 7, then to my 1, then I did 5 1. I did it again, 5 1. Then I'll be going to the 6, but this was what I played, because from the 6 I was going to the 2. So let me give you a bass line you can apply here. So that is 6 7 1 and your 1 sharp. Then you come to your 1 sharp over here, that is your root 1 sharp, then 3 2, then 7 1, because we're going to the 4 3 4, 2 2 5 5 2 5 1 1. When you play your 1 sharp, bring in your 6, then you play 3 2 7 1 3 4 2 2 6 2 5 5. You understand? Okay, so learn the first one, the second one, and now let me take you to the last one, the spiciest one. So you see, the last one is very interesting. The 6 7 1 progression. You understand the triad: 6 6 1 3. Okay, and to the 7. So I played the triad on the 5 5 7 2. Then to the 1 progression. Okay, so if you're using a 4 string, just play a triad on 1, or on 5 string, 5 1 1 1 5 5 1. Then the second one you have ended. Okay, so again, 6 6 1 3 4 5 5 1. So on the 6 to the 2, 6 5 6 6 2 2. Okay, 2 2 3 2 3 3 4 4. You understand? Okay. Then to your 2 progression, take you into the 5 progression, 2 1 2 2. Then 5 5 5 5 1 1. You understand? Let me take it slow. One 7 1 1 5 5. Then you go into the 6 again. You understand? Okay. So the song will be available in the WhatsApp live group. Okay, I think that'll be the fastest way to get the song. So just join the group and you see the song there, then you download. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.